Hey, it's Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. You know, I always give a disclaimer. I can't provide a breakthrough. I just prescribe the breakthrough, but when you follow the prescription, God provides it. And the breakthrough is exploding through barriers that at one time seemed insurmountable. Hey, my friend, especially for 2025, you don't just want to survive. No, you want to thrive in 2025. By the way, I'm supposed to be wearing these blue blockers when I'm on the computer. So what do you think? With or without? I mean, it's supposed to help my eyes, whatever, I guess, when I'm on the computer. But what do you think? Right? Just let me know. But anyway, hey, watch this real quick. So, one of my mentors, Charlie Tremendous Jones, he said, you'll be the same you are today, 5 years from now, except for the books you read and the people you meet. Well, you know, he's gone on to heaven. And so, what I'd like to do is I kind of added to it. And again, you'll be the same you are today, a year from now, except for the books you read, right? Like the books you read, the people you meet, and the seminars you attend, and the information you implement. And when I say seminar, it could be online, like even Zoom, like even watching a video. I learned so much. Like I'm going through some lessons a day. But listen, real quick. So one of the books I put out is called "How to Build a Big Team Fast." Now, I had a lady that read this book, and she said to me, she said, "Doc, you titled the book wrong. It should be titled How to Become the Best Version or a Better Version of Yourself." She said, "Reading this book helped me become a better version of myself." Well, again, I wrote the book because I built a team and home-based business to 1.5 million people. And people kept asking me, what's the secrets, right? As a matter of fact, let me take it back. I built a team of 22,865 people, and I was on my way of building a team of 1.5. I think I had like 78 or 80,000 when I was writing the book at the time. Anyway, but end up being 1.5 million altogether on my team. And the whole company only had 2.2 million. By the way, but I personally sponsor like 988 people. But anyway, some things I had to learn. You know, it's all about be, do, and have, right? And so leadership skills and promotion and influence and inspiration and all that, right? Well, anyway, the lady said this book should be called "How to Become the Best Version of You." Hey, would you like to become a better version of yourself? I like what Les Brown. We were speaking in the England in the UK, and he said information costs, but it pays for itself 10 times over, meaning that what you pay on information, listen, what you get out of it is going to be worth 10 times that to you. I don't know about you. Would you like to be 10 times better than you are? Well, guess what? And again, it's not just purchasing, it's actually implementing. So again, this is not about a book. I actually produced a free course. That's right. A free course based on the principles from this international best-selling book. And again, if you're not in home-based business, don't worry about it, because again, this book will help you to be the best version of yourself. Okay. And that's really what it's about. So here's the thing. I was reading a book, and it said, Benjamin Franklin said, if you empty your wallet into your mind, he said, your mind, let me go ahead and do that. If you empty your wallet into your mind, he said, your mind will fill your wallet. How many of you would like to have a full wallet? You know, money full of money. Well, guess what? You got to empty what you some of here into here, and it'll from here it'll fill this back up. As a matter of fact, here's what Dr. Breakthrough. Here's what I say. I say what you put in your head that affects your heart determines what comes to your hand. And if you want more coming to your hand, by the way, do you want more coming to your hand? Yes, yes. Come on, talk to me. Oh, you think I can't hear you? Well, actually, I can't. But come on, the energy though still flows. But you want more coming to your hand, right? Well, guess what? If you want more coming to your hand, you got to put more in your head that affects your heart. And that's exactly, my friend, with not just the book, but my friend, this free training. Again, I emphasize capital F, capital R, capital E. It's free. So again, my friend, just again, I'm going to put a QR code at the end of this video, or if not, just click down in the link in the comments or something. But you got to get a hold of this, and you got to share this with other people, my friend. I am telling you. See, my main message in life is simple. I was once a mess. Matter of fact, I was a nobody. God and I made me into a somebody, and now I'm telling everybody he can do the same and a whole lot more for anybody. So I was once a mess, and now I'm considered a grandmaster in martial arts, 10th degree black belt. There's less than 100 of us in the world. Been blessed to be voted into the Black Belt Hall of Fame as well as the Motivational Speakers Hall of Fame. But when I started martial arts many decades ago, I tripped over my own feet. They laughed at me. They called me Mr. Baboon. When I first started speaking, I was terrible, my friend. But guess what? I kept on, listen, and I've learned some things. And listen, I'd love to be able to pour into you whatever your dreams and whatever your goals and whatever your aspirations. Would you allow me? See, my goal is to empower you to reach your goals a whole lot faster. So, again, do me a favor, my friend. No, do yourself a favor. And that is, again, the QR code. I'll see if I can add it to the back of this video and maybe even see if I can. I'm trying to get a little fancy and learn some of this video stuff. No, I am working on, and maybe I'll split it and put it in here. It'll pause for a minute. You can just take your phone out and snap it. And then I'll have it at the end. But for sure, click down the comments. Click down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube or if you have that link. So, okay. So, hey, my friend, listen. Again, it's amazing journey. I used to travel with Jim Rohn. He said it best. He said a formal education will help you make a living, but personal education and personal development can help you make a fortune. So since he's in heaven, I now say, don't you want to make a fortune so you can be blessed to be a blessing to others? I mean, don't you got children depending on you? Somebody said, I ain't leaving my children no money. I'm going to leave them the knowledge and the wherewithal so they can learn how to make it on their own. But at any rate, my friend, here's what I'm saying. I'm saying this. I'm saying, can I give you this free course? Would you take the course and give me a good review? If you like the course, just spread it to other people. I want to see, my friend, all this junk that goes viral. Why can't we have some good, empowering things that go viral? Okay. I'm supposed to have my glasses on, forgot. Okay. So, by the way, I think I like me. What do you think? Hey, by the way, if you're in the US, text me and let me know what these on, or I guess it's healthier for me with the Blu-ray, or without. But by the way, text me at 717-275-3508. Text me and let me know yes or no, blue blocker glasses or not. And what do you think? Does it make me look studious, right? But hey, come on now. Come on, click the link. What are you waiting for? Come on, go, go, go. Remember, I soar with the eagles. I run with the runners. Occasionally, I walk with the walkers. I don't have a whole lot of time to talk with the talkers. I'm not going to sit with the sitters. I'll never quit with the quitters. So let me know which one you are, and I can see if we can do something together. But you, we going to fly. So go get your free course, my friend. Hit the link. Hit the QR code. Let's make it happen, and then share it with others. God bless you. Hey, what time is it? You know what time I say it is, right? It's breakthrough time. All righty, so go ahead and scan that QR code. Take your phone out real quick and go ahead and scan that. And let's get your free course. It'll change your life. So again, I'm too blessed to be depressed, too blessed to be stressed, too glad to be sad, too anointed to be disappointed, too elated to be agitated, too legit to quit, too grounded to be confounded, too grateful to be hateful, too gifted to be restricted, too good to be withstood, too saved not to be getting paid. Business is booming, checks are zooming, I'm happy on purpose. Come on now. Did you scan that? It's breakthrough time.